Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to download and install the 1xbet app on your Android device. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and type 1xbet.mobi into the search bar. Then hit the search icon to proceed. Once the 1xbet website loads, look for the download button for the Android app. Tap on it to start downloading the APK file. If prompted, tap on Download Anyway to confirm. After the APK file has downloaded, tap on it to begin the installation. You may need to approve installation from unknown sources if prompted by your device. Next, tap Install from the pop-up window. Once the installation is complete, go back to your home screen and you should see the 1xbet app icon. Tap on it, and the app is ready to use. Now, before you go, here's a quick tip to get the most out of the 1xbet app. After installing, go ahead and select Registration. Enter all your details and make sure to add your promo code in the designated section. This will give you a massive 300% bonus on your deposit. For example, if you deposit $10, you'll receive an extra $30 as a bonus. So, don't miss out. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.